Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. So today let me show you how to install a battery for the 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. So mine does not have a start and stop function, so it's taking the H7 battery. If you have two battery, the stop and the start function, then you have two battery. So your battery will be a H6, not H7. So today I'm gonna use I'm gonna test out my memory saver that I made last time. So I hook it up to the OBD port 2 port and then hook it up to another battery. So now if I took out the battery, it should hold or reserve all the memory that I have on my car. So first thing you should do is removing this. Basically just a clip. Remove it, you pull it out. Now you got 10 millimeter right here, and then another 10 on this box. $10mm right here, and unhook this too, and I should be set. Okay. Let's see, unhook this to make your life a little bit easy. Okay. So finally got that off. So this one is easier to come off. So I already pried this out. Now let's tuck that one side. Out this whole thing. So remove this screw right here on the bottom, and we should be good to go. We got this out. One side. Make sure I took this one right in the back of here. Nice and safe. Okay. So it's all you're gonna do. You're just gonna pull the battery out. Battery coming out. So I got the battery out. Let me get a vacuum, just clean this off a little bit. So old battery, new battery. This is the regular flooded one, and this is the AGM one. So I'll go ahead and get the vacuum and clean it out. So finally I use my vacuum and little Scott towel. Clean up the battery bay the best I could. And now just installing the new battery in. There you go. Okay. Now put this warmer in, or you call the cover. So nice, and so it's tight. Okay. And now we're gonna put in the cable. Strap down first. Strap down. Okay. Now you put in the negative. So we got that on. And now we're gonna put the positive in. Okay. Okay, let's fix this up first. Let me get all this thing out. This plug in. This plug in. And this plug in. So both unplug in. Now we get that in. Now I'll go ahead and tie that down. Okay. Snap. That looks good. Now, let me tie this in. Okay, that's good. Everything's snuck down. This look good. Look good. Now I'm gonna put this back with long, right? So everything's snuck in. Looking good. New AGM battery, 800 CCA crank amp. Now I can go and remove the OBD, because I don't need it anymore. Move that. Move the cable. Now, everything looks nice and good. Actually missed it a little bit. Okay. Now, just to make sure, I'm gonna go and use the battery tester and see how good the battery is. So, battery tester. So, top down. Test. This is AGM 800. Test. Look at that. Health 100. So the test is 814 cca. And the rating is 800. So it's more than enough. Okay, let's look good. So let me put the back end. What should be slid in. Got it. Now everything is good. That's new. Okay. Now I will go ahead and get the key and test it out. Let's see if I have. Give me a second. We also gonna see if the memory saver is actually working or not. Okay, let me start it up. Okay, as you can see, my radio station still work. I still have all my radio station, so everything is normal, and all my setup for the car is still there. And that's it for this video, and I will see you guys on our next video. All right, bye.